Abrams tanks may appear on the battlefield during current Ukrainian counteroffensive. There is hope that Abrams tanks will participate in this counteroffensive, but I should say that we need to think not only from the perspective of the current counteroffensive. This is what I constantly emphasize when communicating with partners. You should not consider this counteroffensive to be the last and decisive one. Minister of Foreign Affairs of Ukraine, Dmytro Kuleba, told Suspiln in an interview. According to the minister, there will be as many counter-offensives as will be needed to liberate all territories of Ukraine. He added that the country is already receiving some equipment, in particular Bradley infantry fighting vehicles, but something is in the process. That's why we are working today, but we keep in mind that we will need tanks, armored personnel carriers, and other equipment for possible subsequent campaigns, Kuleba explained. The minister noted that one must always think 2 or 3 steps ahead in the war. He went on to compare the Abrams and the Leopard tanks. The Abrams as a tank is a much more complex design than the Leopard, with all due respect. Kuleba said that supplies of Abrams tanks was a work in progress. As reported, the Pentagon announced in April that it planned to hand over American M1 Abrams tanks to Ukraine by the end of the year.